Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lipstick. The lipstick that we're going to be making today is vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. For some time now I've had my own cosmetic line and I am so ready to share with the world how I make my lipstick. So I'm going to start off here with my burner, and on top of it I have a pot full of boiling water already and set to go, and I'm just going to place a glass bowl on the top of that so we can go ahead and melt everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of Candelilla wax and I'm going to add that to our bowl. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of carnauba wax and I'm going to add that to our bowl as well. Okay, you guys, the first oil I'm going to be adding is castor oil. Castor oil is a staple oil in a lot of cosmetics and a lot of products. I'm going to be using this again later on. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil to our bowl. Now in goes the avocado oil into our mixture. The last oil that I'm going to add is my favorite, the coconut oil. This next product that I'm adding to our mixture is called isododecane, and what it does is it makes our lipstick matte and it also makes it slip proof and it allows the oils to mix together wonderfully. I'm only adding 1 teaspoon of this. Now I'm just going to mix everything with a spoon, and just to recap, we added a tablespoon of each of the oils and 1 teaspoon of the isododecane. Now we're just going to go ahead and transfer our mixture into a bowl that allows us to have a covered lid. You want to cover it up so that our base could solidify and form into a lipstick consistency. So now that our lipstick base has formed, now we can go ahead and mix the color together. The shade that I chose to do on our first video in this series is a brown girl nude. This nude can be worn by any complexion, but sometimes us brown girls, we find it so hard to find that perfect nude. So I thought it would be perfect to just share this color with you guys. In my cosmetic line, this shade goes by the name of DC. I separated enough mixture out of the bowl for 1 bottle of product so that we don't just waste the base so sporadically. Before I mix, I want to go ahead and add 1 drop of vitamin E. I also want to add a little bit of castor oil to get things moving. The first pigment you're going to go ahead and add is called brown oxide. That's going to be the base for most nudes. I'm going to go ahead and add 2/4 of a teaspoon to our mixture. Next, I'm going to be adding a pinch of the white titanium oxide. What I'm using are the TKB Cosmetics small spoons, or mini spoons is what they call them. And the measurements here are slightly different. For example, their spoons come in a dash, a smidgen, a drop, something like that. But not to worry, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and list these spoons in the description box below so that you too can have them for your measurements. When mixing, be sure to mash and scrape the sides of the bowl so that you can incorporate all of the color together, especially the white. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another pinch of the white to our mixture. You will see me periodically adding castor oil just to get the consistency that I would like for the lipstick to be. Now you're going to see me go ahead and add a drop, according to the spoons, of the Blue Lake dye. This is basically a vegetable dye. And what it's going to do, it's going to help us to create a cooler nude versus a warmer nude. I'm also going to go ahead and add a drop of the white titanium oxide just to lighten things up a bit. Wow, you guys, take a look at our progress. I went ahead on and took a swatch so that you guys can see where we are, but we have a little bit more work to do. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 smidgens of the white titanium oxide. Alright, you guys, let's go in and do another swatch check. As you can see, this nude looks different from the first one, but it's not quite what we want. So we want to go ahead and keep on going to get to the nude that we want to accomplish. Well, would you look at that? I think we have ourselves a winner, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now, you can keep on adding a little more white, but not too much because it makes a difference. But I'm going to go ahead and stop right here, and I'm going to go ahead and add some isododecane, about 2 squirts to this mixture in order to intensify the mattness of our product. Okay, you guys, now comparing all the swatches from the first to the last, you will notice in the last swatch that had the added isododecane to it, it is more matte than the other 3. The other 3 have a slight shine to it, but the last one is more matte. But once it dries, it's going to be a nice matte finish. Now it's time to bottle things up. It's time to bottle things up. No, but seriously, I'm going to grab my syringe and I'm going to start filling the top of the syringe with a spatula. I'm going to do it this way because it's hard to kind of like inject the syringe the other way. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with the spatula little by little, shaking the syringe. Now I'm going to add the back end of the syringe into the syringe, and I'm going to go ahead and place the syringe in our bottle and begin filling. Now I have filled the bottle up for the most part, but when continuing to fill up the bottle, you want to make sure that you fill it up, but make sure you leave ample amount of space because we still have to place the stopper in. Please, please, please do not fill it all the way up to the top because you will not be able to put the stopper in. Once you place the stopper at the top, we're going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper towel and continue to press that stopper down. Once the stopper is placed down, then we're going to use a paper towel to go ahead and wipe the excess off the rim. After that, we're going to go ahead and take our doe foot wand and we're going to place it on the inside of the bottle and screw it down. And just like that, you guys, we have made our own lipstick. And there you have it, you guys, a beautiful brown girl nude. I have had so much fun making this video for you guys, and I have made so many different shades using this very same technique. If you want, you can feel free to pause this video, and in the comment section below, please share with me which one of my shades you would like for me to demonstrate next. I will be sure to list everything in the description box below that I used today, and I will also be sure to list my website to my cosmetic line so that you can purchase one of my lipsticks or more. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, and I have had so much fun, like I said. Please stay tuned for more. Have a good one. Love you guys, and be blessed.